Hey there, let me introduce you to the Supreme Elegance Medium Cotton Waffle Weave Blanket, crafted from 100% soft, breathable cotton that feels gentle on your skin. Its unique waffle weave texture enhances airflow while adding a touch of refined elegance to any room. This blanket balances warmth and breathability perfectly, making it ideal for all seasons, whether on your bed or sofa. The design draws inspiration from classic basket and mateless weaves, giving your space timeless character and style. Versatile for use as a cozy throw or decorative accent, it also makes a thoughtful gift for any occasion. Plus, this blanket stays fresh longer thanks to its anti-odor properties and is easy to care for with machine washing. Enjoy lasting softness and luxury that holds up wash after wash, bringing comfort and elegance to your home every day. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.